Hey, Nicole. Here's how this it might be a solution for you for your mentor sign up. And this is just a Google Doc. This is just a Google form. So this is actually the new Google form, which is pretty cool. So if you just go ahead and once you open up, go sign into your account, and then just start a new blank form, and then you can name it, whatever you want. Avid mentor sign up, or whatever you want. And then you go down here, and then maybe your first question is your name, and then this might be a short answer. So then the teacher can put their name in there, and then you just add a question, and maybe this would be select the kids you want to mentor. Now, I know you probably got a boatload of names here. The cool thing about this is if you've got those names on a spreadsheet, then if you change this to checkboxes, you probably want to have this as checkboxes. If you've got those names on a spreadsheet, you can just copy all those names and then go here and paste, and it should paste each name down the row, so you'll have 60 different checkboxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put in a couple of names here. Just to show you. Okay, so now let's say that's our names in there, and now you can just move through this, but what you definitely want to make sure that you do is you want to add Choice Eliminator Lite as an add-on to this, and the way you do that is you go to More, and you go to Add-ons, and it's going to pull up all the different add-ons here. You can search for Choice Eliminator Lite. It's right down there, and then you just want to install it. So I've already got it installed, but it'll just say, install, okay, and it'll put it on there for you, okay. Now, once you're there, then you can just go through this process. Like you can choose your color palette, you can do all that, and you can do your preview. You can design it out or whatever you want to do. So now you're gonna you can mess around in here if you want to. Okay, so now you're going to go to your add-ons, which is your little puzzle piece here, and you'll go to add-ons and you'll choose Choice Eliminator Lite, and we'll configure, and then it's going to open that add-on, and you want to choose the question since there's only one, so this is the one that you're going to want to use, and you just want to click on Eliminate Choices. Okay, so now once you've done that, now you're done. Once you've got it looking the way you want it to look, then you go ahead and send it, and you can send it via email. You can get a link. So either way, I like to do the link, and you just copy that. When we copy that link, now we go back to okay, so I'm just copying that link, and then when I go to this, when I put that link in the URL, then it's going to take me right to the thing. So now what I'll do, so now we can see how this works. So I'll put in my name, like I'm signing up for these kids, and let's say I want John Doe and Jane Doe, and then I'll submit it. Okay, so they're done. So they should just come out of it, right? And then, you know, maybe someone else will click on it. And hopefully now you can see that those names are gone. So let's say they want Anne Rice and Jon Snow. Okay, so now to go in and look at these, this, your data, I think it'll work for you. It's not it's not perfect, but I think that it'll work. So you can see here that we've got 2 responses. Now this is kind of different than the way it was. If you want to see it in a spreadsheet form, you just go here to create spreadsheet, and you can go to create new spreadsheet. And then you see the second time I didn't put a name in there. So what you want to do is make that name required so that people can't do that. But then you can see that the first person got John Doe and Jane Doe, and then the second person got Jon Snow and Anne Rice. It doesn't put the names in separate cells, but I think that this will do the trick for you. I hope it works out, and I'm sorry I couldn't be here to show you this today, but hopefully this will kind of work in a pinch. All right.